In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Substack newsletter and publish your first post. We're going to keep this simple, clean, and easy to follow from beginning to end. If you're setting up your newsletter for the first time, this process will help you get from a blank browser tab to a published post without overcomplicating anything. To begin, open a clean tab in Google Chrome. Starting with a fresh tab helps reduce distractions and makes it easier to follow each part of the setup. In the address bar, go directly to substack.com. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Start Writing and click it. This is the main entry point for creating your publication and getting into the writing platform. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your account. At this stage, you can either connect your Twitter profile or manually complete the personal profile setup forms. Choose whichever option makes the most sense for you. Connecting a profile can speed things up, while filling out the forms manually gives you a little more control over how your publication identity appears. As you complete this section, make sure your profile information is accurate and professional, since this will help readers recognize and trust your newsletter. After that, bring over your existing subscribers by importing your contact list. To do this, take your CSV file and drag it into the platform's upload area or loader box. This step is especially useful if you already have an audience somewhere else and want to move them into Substack. Before uploading, it's always a good idea to make sure your CSV file is organized properly so the import goes smoothly. Once the file is dropped in, let the platform process it and confirm that your contacts have been added correctly. With your account configured and subscribers imported, go to the dashboard and click New Post. This takes you into the clean blog-style writing workspace where you'll create your newsletter content. The editor is designed to be straightforward so you can focus on writing without getting lost in too many tools. Now type your informational update newsletter article directly into the editor. Take your time and make sure the text is clear, readable, and aligned with the message you want to send to your audience. Once the article is in place, add a banner graphic image to give the post a stronger visual presentation. A good banner can make the newsletter feel more polished and help set the tone before readers even begin. When everything looks ready, click Publish. That's it. Your newsletter post is now live and ready to be shared with your subscribers.